Hello everyone, this is Susmita Mahapatra from DAV Public School MCL Kalinga area. So today we will discuss some practice question and answer of motion chapter. We will divide the session into three parts. Today we will discuss part 1. The question is, a particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half a circle would be. Okay, so these are the four options. You can see, suppose this is a circle and its radius is r. So the question is, a particle moving in a circular path of radius r and it covers half of the circle. So a particle is starting from here and it ends its journey here, half of the circle, exactly half of the circle. What is the distance and displacement? See, this is the distance covered by a particle and the displacement is the shortest distance. So this is the initial point and this is its final point. Okay, this is initial, suppose initial point, and this point is its final point. Okay, so find out this displacement. So this is r and this is r, total is 2r. So this is the answer, 2r. Okay, if the question is just modified, if it will ask what is its distance, then you have to find out this half of the circumference. Total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and divided by 2, that is pi r. Distance is pi r, but here in this question it is asked displacement after half of the circle, so it is 2r. This is r and this is r, total is 2r. Okay, now this is the next question. An athlete runs along a circular track. So this is a circular track of radius 100 meter. Calculate the displacement of the athlete and the distance travelled by him when he covers 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of the track. Very interesting question. Let's proceed. First we have to draw a circular track. So this is a circular track of radius r and the value of r is 100 meter. This is the value of r. Okay, calculate the displacement of the athlete and the distance travelled by him when he covers 3/4 of the circle. Okay, so if you divide the circle into 4 parts, this is 4 parts. Suppose an athlete starts from this position, this is point A, and he covers 3/4, matlab this and this. Total he covers 3/4 of the circle and his final position is at B and he is directed toward this line. A point is his initial position. Okay, this is the initial position and this B point is the final point and he covers 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of the track. So this is our diagram. So the question is, find out his distance and displacement. So this is point A to point B. This is the distance covered by him. And what is its displacement? The shortest distance between the final point and the initial point. What is that? So this line, the straight line, is the displacement. Or you simply can say that the shortest distance between the final point and the initial point. So this is the displacement. This blue color line is the displacement. Okay. So now we have to find out the displacement. Okay, displacement of the athlete. So how can you find out the displacement? See, if you divide this center as 4 parts, so this is the point is 360 degree, and if you divide into 4 parts, then one part, one angle, this is the 90 degree angle. Okay, this is 90 degree and this is r and this is also r. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out this distance. Okay, so this is r square root over. So displacement of the athlete is r square the whole root over. So what do you mean by that? This is root 2 r. And this is, what is the value of root 2? This is 1.414 into r is 100 meter given. Okay, so final answer will be 141.4 meter. Very easy. Now we have to calculate the distance. So see, distance travelled by him equal to 3/4 of its circumference. Okay, he covers 3/4 of the circular track. So what is the track? This is a circle. So 2 pi r is the total circumference, and he covers 3/4 of its circumference. So this is the 3/4 into 2 pi r. Then by calculating the value, we will get 3/4, 2 into 3.14 into 100. So this is 2 2s are 4. Again, if we will divide 471 meter. Okay, so this is his distance. You can clearly observe the displacement is less than the distance. This is the answer and this is the answer. So the next question is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. So what will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? This is a very important question, and it will always ask in your annual exam, these types of questions. How we can solve this question? Okay, this is athlete. Okay, this is one athlete, and he completed one round in 40 seconds. And what will be the distance and displacement in 2 minutes 20 seconds? First, what we have to calculate? First, we have to calculate the numbers of round he has completed in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Why we have calculated the first numbers of round? See, this is his initial position. Suppose his initial position is at a point A. This is a point A, and he is standing at this point. Okay, so he completes one round in 40 seconds. So in 2 minutes 20 seconds, how many numbers of round he has to cover? We have to find out first. Then our final point will become. Then after that, we can find out the distance and displacement. So first, by unitary method, we will solve this. How many numbers of round he has covered? Okay, so we need numbers of round. So we will take these numbers of round in the right hand side. So first we have to write in 40 seconds the athlete covered one round. So in 1 second the athlete covered 1/40 round. The next, in 2 minutes 20 seconds he covered 2 minutes 20 seconds is equal to 140 seconds divided by 40. So by solving this, we will get 3.5 round or 3.5 laps. Okay, so how we will calculate 140? I think it is very easy for you. So 2 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 2 minutes equal to 2 into 60 plus this is also 20 seconds, and that is equal to 6 2s are 120 plus 120, that is equal to 140 seconds. Okay, so 2 minutes 20 seconds, we are converting all these into second. So this is 140 into 40 divided by 40. Okay, so this is 3.5 round. Okay, so this is his initial position. Okay, and will complete 3.5 round. You can see here, this is one round, and this is 2 round, and again this is 3 and half. Okay, so you can easily see here, this point is his final point. Okay, this is our initial point, his initial point, and this is the final point. So see, 3.5 round he has covered. So we can find out easily now the distance. Okay, so here we can write the distance covered by him in one round. How much distance we will cover in one round? In one round, this is the path of him. So this is the circumference of the circle. So what is the circumference of the circle? This is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the distance covered by him in one round. So we have to calculate in 3.5 round how much distance he has covered. So distance covered by him in 3.5 round is how much? 3.5 into 2 pi r. We are given the diameter 200 meter. So from this we can calculate radius. Okay, otherwise you can calculate here pi d. So it is better to calculate radius for your better understanding. So here d equal to 200 meter. Okay, so r equal to 100 meter. Now you can find out the distance. So distance covered by athlete in 2 minutes 20 seconds is given by 3.5 into 2, 3.14, and r, this is the 100. By calculating this value, we will get 2200 meter. and otherwise it is 2.2 kilometer. This is our final answer. This is the answer of the distance covered by the athlete. Now the question is asking about the displacement. So displacement covered by the athlete is, the displacement covered by the athlete is how much? This is the shortest distance and he has covered 3.5 rounds. So this point is his initial point. Okay, after 3.5 round he will come at this position. This is at B position. You can see here also, see, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is complete 3 round and half. Okay, 3.5. So this is his final position. So see, we have to calculate this distance, shortest distance. This is A and this point B. You can easily calculate and you can easily visualize this. This is nothing but the diameter of the circular track. Yes, so this is the diameter and it is given in the question. What is this? This distance is 200 meter. Okay, so the answer is 200 meter. You can easily calculate. Okay, so this is the distance and this is the value of displacement. This is you can 1 and this is you can write 2.